On the shoreline, the competition is just as stiff. A red tide delivers rock lobsters to kelp gulls by the hundreds. A feeding frenzy erupts as kelp gulls scramble to snatch rock lobster, crabs, and anything else washed ashore on the red tide. In warmer water, the algae blooms, sucking oxygen from the water and suffocating sea creatures. The scavenging kelp gulls couldn't be happier. With sharp eyes and sharper bills, they spot their prey and greedily crack it open. Without the gulls, the stranded lobsters would rot under the African sun. So the gulls are performing a public service by cleaning up the beach.